Have you ever wondered why some Nissan owners regret their purchase? Today we're talking about something that every Nissan owner or potential buyer needs to know: CVT transmissions. If you're looking at certain Nissan models, you might want to think twice. Some of these cars come with a transmission that's known to fail, often sooner than you'd expect. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll tell you which Nissan models have these transmission issues, what problems to look out for, and if you already own one, how to make it last longer. So, let's get into it. Unlike a regular automatic transmission that shifts gears, a CVT doesn't actually shift at all. Instead, it uses a belt system to adjust power smoothly. Sounds cool, right? Well, not exactly. While CVTs can improve fuel efficiency, they also have a history of early failure, especially in some Nissan models. That's what we're here to talk about. Alright, here's the list of Nissan models that come with CVT transmissions, and why you might want to avoid them. The Nissan Versa, both the sedan S Plus SV, Special Edition SL, and the Versa Note S Plus SV, SR, SL, are equipped with CVTs. The Nissan Sentra also has them in its S, SV, SR, Midnight Edition, Turbo, SL, and Nismo trims. If you're looking at a Nissan Altima, the S, SR, Midnight Edition, SV, SL, and Platinum models all come with this transmission. The Nissan Maxima models, including the S, SV, and SL, also use a CVT. The Nissan Juke, S, SV, SL, Nismo, might have a CVT or an automatic transmission, so it's something to watch out for. The Nissan Rogue models, including the S, SV, Midnight Edition, and SL, are also on this list. Lastly, the Nissan Murano in its S, SV, SL, Platinum, and Midnight Edition trims features a CVT transmission that has been prone to failure. If you're thinking about getting any of these models, be aware that their CVTs have a reputation for failure, sometimes as early as 40,000 miles. Now, let's talk about what actually happens when these transmissions fail. If you own one of these models, watch out for these warning signs. One of the most common issues is loss of power, where your car might struggle to accelerate even if you're pressing the gas pedal. Another issue is transmission slipping, where the engine revs up, but the car doesn't respond as expected. Overheating is also a concern, as coolant hose leaks can lead to severe transmission damage. And if your car is experiencing CVT failure, you might see error messages on your dashboard or navigation screen. Sounds like a nightmare, right? The worst part is that once a CVT goes bad, it's expensive to replace, often costing $3,000 to $5,000 or more. Because of all these failures, Nissan extended the warranty on some models from 5 years or 60,000 miles to 10 years or 120,000 miles. If you own one of these cars, you might be eligible for the extended warranty, so check with Nissan to see if your vehicle qualifies. Now, if you already own one of these Nissan models with a CVT, you're probably wondering what you can do to make it last as long as possible. There are two main things you can do to help prolong the life of your CVT transmission. The first is to change the CVT fluid every 25,000 miles. Unlike traditional transmissions, CVTs require more frequent fluid changes to keep the belt system from wearing out too quickly. The second tip is don't step hard on the gas pedal. Even if your car is a sports edition, pushing too hard on the accelerator puts stress on the CVT's belt system, which can cause it to slip and break down faster. The harder you drive, the shorter its lifespan will be. So there you have it. These Nissan models have CVT problems, and if you already own one, following these maintenance tips can help you get the most out of your transmission before it inevitably wears out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, well, at least you know what to watch out for when buying a Nissan. Comment below if you own one of these cars and let me know if you've had any CVT issues. See you in the next video.